Because we're chasing that major today and we're gonna grab it. Let's go.
I know
Here
that.
we go, y'all. Volume's all the way up. Let's start on a 10-cent, 250 bet. Need 6 of those.
So we need 6 chips here?
6 chips or 3 of these.
Nice.
And these guys are wild. Major's at $790. So 5 cents. Ooh,
One more.
Tried to fool you with the yellow car. Move over Vegas.
Let's go, chips. Green. Is the showgirl wild?
No, it's the Vegas symbol. That's wild. That one.
One more.
Nice. Let's do it. I'm going to lift this up just a little bit right there. All right. What are we hoping for today, Carlos?
Major.
Okay, yeah, 790 major would be nice.
Major would be lovely. 3 briefcases would be awesome right now.
Yeah.
Come on. 2 more. 3. Go.
All the noise, none of the fun. Ooh, that's nice.
And a $200 one.
Wow.
One more.
Yes!
There we go.
Oh my goodness. That was tough, right? Drop some words, please. All right, 20 bucks. That's nice.
Let's go. Fill them up. $1. Keep it going. $1. Drop. There we go. We'll take that. Keep it going. Bottom left. Let's go. Keep going.
Do it.
Come on. Get some words.
I like that 4-digit.
$1 more.
Drop it. Yes. Okay.
Another one. There we go. Another one. Let's go. $2.
I've seen someone else get the grand on this
$1.
machine.
$1.
But that will not be us on this particular one. $50. All right.
Nice. Okay.
Back to where we started, and then some.
Nice.
Let's do back to back.
Let's go.
All right. Got some vehicles. Over $5. I do like how Dragon Link, you can see what the amount is. I don't like that right there.
Yeah.
I like to see what you're betting. Like, you should be able to see that you're betting $2.
One more. Ooh. 2 more.
Yeah.
There we go. Back in it, folks. Back in
Awesome.
it.
Fire. Let's go. Mini's 20.
Come on. $2. Anything.
Drop it.
There we go. $1.
Drop
Keep it going.
Drop it.
Take another mini. Come on. $1. There we go.
Yeah.
Keep it spinning. $1.
Very nice.
Bottom right. $1.
Lots of homes. Lots of possibilities.
There we go.
Drop it in.
$1 more. Here we go. Right in the bottom.
Drop it in. Let it begin.
One more. Come on.
Anything. Go.
Drop.
All right. Ooh, Ooh, even better than last time. Let's go. Yay.
Nice.
All right.
Let's go. It's warming up for you, babe. Let's go.
Loving it. 5 of a kind. $6.40.
All right, 3 briefcases. Here we go. Here we go. 2 more. Ooh.
Wow.
$100
Beautiful. Do it. All right, let's get in it again. Not being greedy, but when you're hot, you're hot. Let's go.
2 more. 2 more.
Drop $3 in there. Let's try 5 cents. $1.25.
Come on. 2 more. 2 more.
There's your 2 more.
Come on. 2 more briefcases. This is some briefcases.
$2.50. $1.25. Oh, those Vegas been nice if they moved over. Looks like 2 cents is doing the best. We'll try 10 cents, $2.50. One more here. 2 cents.
3.
3, 2.
One more.
Ooh, I want to see that bonus too, honey. Oh, you can fill it with that. That would be incredible.
That'd be nice too.
Ooh, that was what, 11.20?
Yep. 2 more.
2. Seems like the $2 bet is where it's at on this one.
2 more.
Ooh.
Showing us everything, a little bit of
It
everything.
is.
2 more. There we go.
Yay!
Let's go.
Words.
Words, words, words. We'll take some words. Major, minor, mini. $1. Major, minor, mini. Major, minor, mini. Go, go,
Major,
go.
minor,
There we
mini.
go.
40 bucks.
40 bucks.
Yes.
Major, minor, mini. Major, minor, mini.
Let's go.
Anything. $1. Keep it going. Keep it going. There we go.
Yes.
There we go. Major, minor, mini.
Major, minor, mini. Major,
Go.
minor, mini.
Anything. $1.
Anything.
$1. Keep it going. There we go.
Yes.
We'll take those 6 bones.
Music is picking up, people.
Come on,
Music
$1.
is getting
Drop
hot.
it. Keep it alive. Keep it alive.
Anything.
Bottom left. Bottom
Do
left.
it.
Okay. Drop it 40 bucks. We'll take that. We'll take the 76. Thank you very much.
Nice. We're going in the right direction, people. Very good.
One more.
One more. Do it.
Ah.
Everything was there, but nothing was there. If that makes any sense.
I knew exactly what you were trying not to say there.
Yes. Drop in $3. Drop in another $3.
Let's go, chips.
Do it.
2 more. Come on.
Yeah, I want to see the briefcases. Let's go. Okay, I want to see the chip.
I want to see them both.
I want to see it all.
Let's see them both.
See a chip inside the briefcase. Okay, let's try pennies. Oh, somebody won on that. Oh, that was a little baby bet. I'll do their backup spin for them. Okay.
Come on.
Do it. Do it. Do it. it.
Four,
do it.
four,
do
two.
it.
Oh,
Woo, so pretty.
close. 3.
I like this, the graphics on this one. I think they're cute. 250. $1.50. Mine are for 50. Like the noise?
Come on, 4, 4, 4.
Okay, I think 2 cents did the best. We'll play a few more on there.
Come on, 4 more. Come on, we're gonna see the briefcases yet. Let's do the briefcases.
Exactly.
Let's do it. Let's see 3 of them.
Talk to the lady. Talk to her.
3 of them.
You can do it. All right, one more bonus. Let's give us one more.
Ooh.
Do it. Ooh, that's a nice screen. Ooh,
Banner?
and a banner. Yay!
Really? I would not have expected that.
21. All right.
Yeah. Here we go. Ooh,
Nice.
nice one. 2, 2, 2.
Yo, why will it not do that for us, honey? Huh?
One more.
Woo!
There's your one more.
That's right. Right here.
Two.
Ooh! Oh, we had it. Come on, one more time. Hit me, baby, one more time.
Come on. Oh.
That was a
Man.
$1 bet. But it made almost $9, so
Yep. Come on, 2 more.
I just want to see the
I
briefcases.
would love to see briefcases. All 3 of them on the same screen at the same time.
Yes. I love all the specific things.
You got to talk to
You
it.
got to keep it clear.
You got to keep it clear for it.
Ooh, good one.
Oh man. Come on. Let's not be poopy. Let's do 3 briefcases.
Do it. Do it.
One more. Yes. Finally.
Yay, win it!
Thank you, Vegas.
So we got all the bonuses. That's great. Let's go.
Here we go. Here we go. Another car.
So we need the coin right there, or we need Vegas, Race
There we
Wild, or we need another briefcase.
Okay.
Ooh, we're up to $18
Take a
ready.
chip. Chip. That's poop.
Chip!
Chip.
Chip!
Chip it. Come on, you son of a chip.
Chip! Chip!
Chip,
Chip!
chip,
Chip!
chip,
Chip!
Man.
Last chance to do it. I saw the minor in there. Okay, yes, free trigger.
How many more does that give you? 3?
3, I think.
Yep. All right, we need a chip now. Give us a chip.
Chip, chip, chip.
Do it.
Do it.
Yes. Ooh, that's a big
$40.
one. That's a
Yes,
big one.
nice.
Now,
I've never seen like a major on the side like this with that guy in the center.
let's go. Let's go. Keep it going. Keep it going. Anything. Anything.
Anything, do it.
$3.
Oh, you see there are big ones in
Yeah.
there too.
Come on.
Anything, drop
Anything.
any of those. Anything. Ah, that's too bad. Those were huge. $40.
So got 2 spins.
Yeah. Let's hope you do that again. Chip, 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 chip,
Vegas.
chip,
We'll take
chip.
Vegas. One more of her. Okay, that's money.
Yeah, I don't know how much that is. $12. Chip, chip, chip,
Chip.
chip, chip. Ah. Hey, that was pretty good. 72.80.
Yeah, we'll take the $70.
777. We'll do some backups and then we out. 2 more backups. And we're out. Okay. Well, that was fantastic because, guys, wait for it, $69. All right, thank you for being a part of our family, and we'll see you in the next video.